In today's episode, we'll be checking out the Bitcoin price in the daily chart. We can see that we are still in this huge consolidation phase in this symmetrical triangle, and we are looking for a breakout very, very soon. We are going to go back in time, and I'm going to show you when we broke all-time highs, the last all-time highs in 2017. We had this huge parabolic run, just like we've done this year, and we went into this consolidation phase here in the symmetrical triangle. I'm going to show you what happened next, and it's very, very likely that this is going to happen too. And also the Bitcoin dominance, we've broken out of this support box, and it looks like that we want to come down and retest the 63%. This means that we are going to have a huge alt season if this happens, and Goldman Sachs exploring entry into crypto custody, and Miami plans to allow citizens to pay city taxes in Bitcoin. Guys, a very massive thank you. We had 81 likes on the last video. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe if you haven't done yet for coming updates. A massive thank you. We are creating a great community here. 1,040 subscribers now. Thank you very much, guys. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. Guys, I need you to pay attention now to the charts because this is super, super important. As you can see, this blue-gray line here was the last all-time highs of 2017, around the $20,000 range. We just broke out of it a few weeks back in mid-December of 2020, and we entered this huge parabolic phase, and in a few weeks we went up to $42,000. Now we're entering this symmetrical triangle, and we are looking for a breakout in the next few days. I'll be showing you the first quarter of 2017 when we broke the last all-time highs of 2014, which was $1,120. We also went in this huge parabolic phase and entered also a symmetrical triangle, and we were looking for a breakout. After this huge parabolic phase, after breaking all-time highs and entering the symmetrical triangle, we eventually broke out, and this was to the downside, and this was over a 20% drop, guys. So are we looking for this potential move to happen in the short term, guys? This is a possibility because after breaking the all-time highs, there is a massive hype. We just blow off and go up hundreds of percent, and then there is a blow off top, and there has to be a correction. And this is what happened in early 2017. As you can see, we had this massive hype after breaking all-time highs, consolidation, and then we had this huge correction. But after that, we can see that we continued the bull run, guys, and we went to this massive run up to $20,000, which was the all-time highs. And this happened just 5 months after this consolidation phase. So we might be seeing the same happening, just having a huge correction after this consolidation phase, and then 4 or 5 months we might see the next all-time highs. It can be $80,000, $100,000, $200,000 per Bitcoin. Nobody knows, but I am sure that this bull run hasn't ended here. And checking out the Bitcoin dominance, I have mentioned before in the channel this green box area, which is the 68% levels. If we break this box to the downside, it is very likely that we are going to come down to the 63% levels. And going back in time, I will show you this green box area, which was the 68% levels. I can show you how it was major resistance and support here. As you can see, in mid 2019, we had multiple touches and bounces here as support. We can see there's one here, another one here, also another one here. We had a consolidation phase and we broke to the downside, then came back up and retested as resistance. We had a fake out here and then came back down. And this is 2020, the summer of 2020, when we had this huge alt season, and then we came back up and retested here as resistance. We came back down, retested the 63%, and we broke out of it, and now we tested it one here and another time here, and it looks like that we are breaking out. So my next levels would be the 63% levels, and we are going to have a huge alt season. This means that a lot of the liquidity from Bitcoin is going to go to the other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and other altcoins. Checking out a news report, Goldman Sachs exploring entry into crypto custody. Financial Goliath Goldman Sachs is considering dipping its toes into the crypto industry by offering crypto custodial services. The New York-based investment firm has recently issued a request for information to at least one leading institution in the cryptocurrency custody space. We are broadly exploring digital custody and deciding what the next step is, they say. The initiative by Goldman Sachs is part of a broad digital strategy following the recent regulatory guidance by the US Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, which allows banks to use stablecoins for payments. The source also dispels rumors that Goldman is looking to offer prime brokerage services for crypto assets. Goldman Sachs, one of the largest institutions of the world, looking for offering crypto custodial services. In the next news, Miami plans to allow citizens to pay city taxes in Bitcoin. Francis Suarez, the mayor of Miami, attended an interview for Fox Business this week where he revealed his proposition on cryptocurrencies. He wanted to make Miami an attractive place for the technology industry, and the adoption of Bitcoin could help. The mayor plans to invest a certain part of government funds into the cryptocurrency. If I would have done it last year, I would have made 200+%. So I would have looked like a genius, he said. The mayor introduced another important innovation, namely that Miami is working to ensure that citizens can pay taxes and fees in Bitcoin to the city. We want to be one of the most crypto-forward and technological cities in the country. So we're looking at creating a regulatory framework that makes us the easiest place in the United States to do business if you're doing it in cryptocurrencies. Eventually, if this starts to happen worldwide, then Bitcoin can be actually a world reserve currency in the future. If we keep on this pace, printing money and trying to print ourselves out of this financial crisis, this could actually happen. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoin Center's website, we've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest news and technical analysis, so I'll be leaving a link in the description. And also I'll be leaving links of Bybit, Judex, and Femix. These are leverage trading platforms. If you click on that link, you'll be getting an amazing bonus. And if you haven't bought Bitcoin, also we've got great links here. You'll be getting a discount or even a bonus also. So I'll be leaving links, all of that in the description. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Judex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys, and subscribe for coming updates, and I'll see you in the next one.